Hello everyone! Before we jump into today's topic, make sure you've watched our previous chapters on installation and basic syntax. Today, we're exploring Python statements. The essence of this lesson is understanding that a computer program is simply a list of instructions to be executed. In programming, these are called statements. For example, this statement prints the text, "Python is fun," to the screen. Notice that in Python, a statement ends when the line ends. No semicolons needed. Most programs contain many statements. Python executes them one by one, in the exact order they are written. First, hello world, then, have a good day, and finally, learning Python is fun. Semicolons are optional and rarely used. You can cram statements onto one line with them, but it makes your code very hard to read. Best practice is to use a new line for every statement. However, if you put two statements on the same line without a separator, like a new line or semicolon, Python will give you an error. Keep it simple and clear. Now it's your turn. Open PyCharm. I want you to write 3 statements to print. My name is, my age is, and I live in. Fill in your details. I'll give you 10 seconds. Did you get it? Here's the solution. 3 print statements with full sentences. This way, we just print text without needing variables yet. Great job! Thanks for watching. Practice at home and join me in the next chapter where we'll dive deeper into Python output. Keep coding.